Hey guys, Kevin, Muddy River Tactical. I just wanted to stop in today and show you how to remove the claw if you do choose to. All you gotta do is send us an email to support@muddyrivertactical.com with your mailing info and tell us you'd like to remove the claw, and we'll send you the shorter hardware needed. So here's a holster with the claw on it like you'd be having if you wanted to take it off. So all you have to do is take a Phillips screwdriver, take these out, and your claw pops off. As you can see, these screws are way longer than what the replacement screws without a claw would be. You can see them next to each other there. They're just way shorter. We don't send them in every order just because most people don't end up removing the claw. Most people that order the claw know they want the claw, and it'd just be added expense that we'd have to pass on to our customers, so we just send them to you when you need them. And we also offer hardware packs on the website. You can go and get a hardware pack. In those hardware packs are kind of a universal hardware pack. They'll cover all the hardware you need for any of the holsters. That way if you don't know exactly what you need, they'll be in there, and then you can pick and choose and put it back together. Or even if it's not one of our holsters, you'll have hardware to put together, and then the hardware off our holsters match your old holsters or whatever. But anyways, now that the claw's off, you'll take these shorter screws that we send to you, and you'll just insert them that way. And just like the clips and everything we talked about, don't tighten one, put them both in and get them threaded and going loosely, and then tighten them to your desired thing. Then at that point, you just put them in, and then you can fine tune it and adjust them tighter or looser to adjust your retention, and you're good to go. Literally, as you can see, in 30 seconds, you can have the claw off and back go into business. Or if you want to have them to switch back and forth, you can do it that way. So until next time, keep practicing and always be prepared.